We are going to dig into this feast. Do you see this? Unbelievable. I wish I could share it with you, but maybe next time. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel and to my kitchen. Tonight, you guys, I don't know if you can tell what I have here because the camera's a little bit far away, but you guys, these are chicken wings. Now, I don't know about you, but in our area, getting wings has still been a thing. It's been so difficult to get these things, but tonight we have got some wings. I am going to air fry them in this kasori that is right behind me, and this skin is going to be crispy. The inside of these chicken wings is going to be juicy. You guys, is your mouth watering yet? If it is, stay with me, and I'm going to show you how to make these coming up next. All right, welcome back. So, as you can see, I also have some asparagus over here, and I am going to cook these stovetop with, real simple you guys, with some olive oil and some salt, and I'll show you in a minute how I'm gonna put these together. But let's go ahead and get into this chicken. The first thing I'm gonna do is to make sure that I pat this dry so that when I put it into the air fryer, this skin is going to get nice and crispy. So, food safe gloves. Oh, and yes, by the way, you guys, now that you're joining me, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of hitting that subscribe button below. And while you are at it, please do press that notification bell so you will always know when I upload new videos. Glad to have you along. All right. So let's go ahead and spread these out. And again, I'm going to pat them dry. Another thing, you guys, I'm going to tell you is that what we normally do, my husband and I, is when we get chicken wings, we will cut them up, as you can see here, into little pieces, and then clean them and go ahead and get them seasoned and then freeze them, which is exactly what we did. So these have been seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And I will leave the exact measurements on the screen. Go ahead and get these patted dry. Get any moisture off of them. Do the same thing on the reverse side. Let's go ahead and flip these over real quick. All right, you guys, and these are looking really, really good. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is go over to my air fryer, which, by the way, it's a kasori, and I got it from Amazon. I will leave that in the description if you're interested in getting one. Absolutely love this thing, you guys. And again, I was missing these wings, missing using that, and we are back in business. So I'm gonna go ahead and preset that and get it preheated. And then after that, I'm gonna be putting these wings in, and we are going to be frying them according to the manufacturer's instructions. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. This has preheated, and I'm going to put it on the setting for cooking the chicken and start it, and then I will be putting my chicken in. All right. Okay. Okay, maybe one more piece. All right, you guys. Don't want to overcrowd it. I'm going to give it plenty of space so that this air can circulate around these wings. All right. And the total cook time is 25 minutes. So at the halfway mark, I'm going to flip them over and then finish cooking them. All right, everyone. So while those wings are doing their thing over in the air fryer, let's go ahead and get these asparagus into this heated skillet and then get these going as well. Sprinkle them with a little bit of salt to get that flavor popping. And at this point, you guys, it's a matter of keeping my eye on them and flip them when they're tender. And it's just that simple. Okay, I just flip these over and let them cook on the opposite side. You guys, I think we might just be done with these. They are nice and fork tender. Let's see. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right. Now all we need to do at this point is to wait for those wings. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and check these. All right, they look really, really good. Okay. So now at this point, you can just go ahead and flip them or put a little bit of avocado oil on them, which is what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna flip them over. And by the way, this fork has been cleaned and sanitized. Because before it was touching raw meat and you do not want to cross-contaminate. Okay, back in for about 12 more minutes and I'll see you guys soon. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these wings. Delicious, look at that. Okay. So I'm gonna put these on the platter and then put the second batch in. And then you guys, it will be time to eat. All right, everyone, look at this display and it smells amazing. So normally at this part of the video, I give everything a taste, but not tonight. I am going to wait for my husband to get home, you guys, and we are going to find a good movie to watch, and we are going to dig into this feast. Do you see this? Unbelievable. I wish I could share it with you, but maybe next time. But I promise you, these are seasoned to perfection because I've made them before. They're seasoned to perfection. They are golden brown. They are crispy. They are juicy on the inside. I've got some celery here with some ranch sauce in the middle. I've got some of this buffalo sauce this is Noble Made from the Primal Market. I've got some of that because I like the spicy. And over here, I have got some asparagus, you guys, that I sauteed in some olive oil and sprinkled it in some sauce and some salt. And these are nice and tender, you guys. We are going to have a wonderful evening, and I hope you do the same. And remember, you guys, to give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below. Please remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special by making delicious meals such as this. And until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thank you guys so much.